Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing? Actually, it's good morning. Welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com. Hoping that you can hear this. I think the sound is okay, but I am not sure. Oh, thanks. All right. Tomorrow we are going to have our adjusting and risk management course. So there'll be two parts to it. Mark will talk about adjusting and kind of managing individual different types of positions. And I will be doing the second part that will be more on managing risk for your whole book, how the positions work together, some general thoughts and ways to execute, for risk management, position sizing and stuff like that. Okay. So that, again, if you're an Option Pit Live member, you can pop into it live tomorrow. If you're a gold member or higher, you get it for free. Okay. If you're new to Option Pit, 147 bucks. If you don't like our course, we'll give you the money back. Although we won't let you take another one again. Because if you want your money back and then you want to take another course, I'm not so sure. Anyway, humor aside. All right, what do we got? Well, you know what we got? We have the continued coupling of the prices in oil with stocks. We saw where I think oil is back around 31, almost 32 bucks a barrel. So whatever, I guess, at least temporarily, that whatever, again, it's, I guess every day the story is oil up, market up, no bad news out of China. There's a pretty solid relief rally, I think all across the board. What I'd like to see is, so is everybody looking basically, everybody wants the all clear signal to blow. Okay. Me too, right? Especially if you want to be long, because you don't want to eat stuff. And let's take a look really on some future signals at this point. Okay. We are starting to flatten. We're also starting to see the spot drift below Feb. Okay. Huge indicator coming out of backwardation. We could see some acceleration of volatility on the downside. Okay. If this continues. So again, in our chat today, we'll discuss a position for this. Because what you want is if you're looking at vol trades, basically you either want to catch an acceleration all the way up or acceleration all the way down. Right now, if they're really going to crush this hard, because oil, however magically seemed to stabilize today, you're getting kind of a relief rally. Good day to get rid of some longs. Maybe set up for, I'm not convinced that whatever's been happening is finished. However, if you continue to see the spot cash VIX keep drifting lower and lower, that's generally a good thing. You want that Feb future down, though, below March, and then I think we'll have a little bit more acceleration. We're not quite there yet, but it's starting to look very promising. Okay. So we'll look at maybe some flattening plays in the chat today. We'll look at some acceleration plays on the downside with upside protection. We also discussed some oil plays yesterday. I think the right idea is, maybe you buy puts in USO or something like that and buy some of these cheapy oil names. That could be a trade. Because ultimately, we now know where oil can go since it's just been around the 28 bucks or so, 27. You're starting to see, how low it can go when everybody's sort of freaked out about it. All right. So with that, again, I expect if the volatility futures can actually kind of hold these losses, we could see a little more upside. What I don't want to see is like the QE inspired rallies, the really huge ones. Right now, we do have a pretty good bounce. I think it's mostly because there's a lot of relief in oil and all the debt surrounding all the all the explorers. I'm not quite sure that all the issues are over. It's kind of like a real market again, but you got to be careful about the whipsaw, right? Oil's down another $1.50 on Monday. I don't think we're going to be here. So, but a good day to maybe get rid of some long delta positions if you have them. We're probably going to close a couple positions. Exactly. I'd like to see the curve get out of backwardation. Okay. So again, good day to get rid of some longs, but we will look at some potential acceleration plays now that there's a chance for, us to probably break 20 VIX. You want to kind of plan for that if the market stops moving, right? Because it is possible for the market to stop moving. It just doesn't seem like that lately. All right, everybody. I will see you all in our chat room. We have a pro session this afternoon. All right. Thanks.